Over the past 3.5 years, my colleague, Dr. Cetrulo, and I have been working on an innovative treatment for patients with severe and disfiguring genital urinary injuries. And from this point on, I'm going to use the word we, because not only is it we in the sense that we get the opportunity to sit up here, but it's we as a community, as a hospital here, that have seen this effort go forward. And I thank everybody who's here to make this possible. It's clearly a huge team effort. There are many patients that Dr. Cetrulo and I have taken care of together who have lost their external genitalia from trauma and cancers. These courageous survivors have often left with a very abnormal urinary system, a loss of sexual function, and ultimately a loss of self-identity. Because of the location of their loss, this has become a very private affair for them. They do not self-identify in public. Their devastating losses are endured by themselves, alone, and often, and most of the time, in silence. So in 2012, Dr. Cetrulo was giving his update on his pioneering efforts in the hand transplant, and right away it became very apparent to us that with your expert in plastic and reconstructive surgery and my background in urology and transplant surgery is very compelling to put together a program that uses vascularized composite allografts to treat these patients with devastating injury.
We see these procedures as really along a continuum of providing cutting-edge reconstructive surgical care to our patients. You know, reconstructing complex anatomy like a nose, lips, or a hand, we see the same thing as these devastating genital urinary injuries. So like a hand transplant or a face transplant, we hope that this will be a common part of reconstructive surgery going forward. We focused on our own patients that we see every day to begin with, and we're hopeful that with these successes going forward that we'll be able to open this up to other patient populations such as wounded warriors returning from Iraq and Afghanistan who suffer these incredibly devastating injuries that can leave them so despondent that they consider taking their own lives, and often do.
Hey NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and then click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.